Hello, today's practice is for renewed energy and vitality. So welcome today to this practice, beautiful soul. If you're ready to experience renewed energy and vitality, you're in exactly the right place. I'm Leah, and this gentle practice is designed specifically for you. These movements will gently wake up your vital energy and help you to be filled with aliveness. Let's begin. So we always begin practice with feet shoulder width apart, crown of the head drawn to the ceiling. Good. Knees soft. And before we begin today's practice, let's set an intention. So place your hands over your heart. Breath is inhale through the nose, exhale gently through your mouth. Just get present. Inhale. Exhale. And let it go with a soft exhale as you inhale. Your intention might be, I'm filled with vital energy. But you decide what you want your intention to be today. So breath is inhale. Exhale, hold that intention. I'm filled with vital energy. And hold that as we practice today. Inhale. Long, slow, deep exhale. Good. Tailbone drops down to the earth. Good. Just with arms down gently at your sides. We're going to do some moving and grounding and centering. So standing with your feet hip width apart. Knees soft, crown of the head drawn to the ceiling. Just always checking in with your posture. Making sure you feel strong, rooted, and connected to the earth. Just imagine roots growing down from your feet, down, 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 anchoring you. Take a few deep breaths here, feel yourself arriving here, present. Inhale, exhale. Feet on the floor. Knees soft, crown of the head drawn up here in this room with me in this practice right now. Good, just take notice of how your body feels right now. Notice any stiffness, soreness. I'm just going to start today's practice by pulling down the heavens so your arms are going to float alongside your body and then down to the earth. So they float up, reaching the sky. Gathering energy and floating down, drawing that energy down through your crown and through the rest of your body. So inhale, arms floating up. Exhale, arms floating down. Now shoulders are soft and relaxed through your body, feeling every cell. You're drawing that vital energy through your body. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, breath as arms float up, and exhale as arms float down. Good. Last time, inhale and exhale, bringing hands to our center. Now we're just going to do some activation of our vital energy. Loose fists. I want you just to pump your arms up and down. So just nice and soft and gentle these movements are. So not rigid, but in flow. Good. And now just turning that out to the side. And arms gentle. Good. And you can feel some heat building here. So back to center. Good. And if you feel strong enough and centered enough, just add in a gentle bit of a march. So you're going to opposite arms to opposite feet. Good. And if you feel strong enough, you can actually, and balanced enough, you can add in a full march. So stop the hands here and just marching up and down. And you use your breath to inhale, draw the knee up. And exhale, Put your foot down. Good. And that's plenty of that for today. Just notice how your body feels. Relax your hands. Bring hands down in front of your belly, palms facing together, and just feel this bit of energy that you've activated between your palms. And then play with this ball of energy. You're going to expand the ball and then compress it. So bringing any heat that came from your hands, from the pumping action, and from your legs, the pumping action, bring it up between your hands and just hold it like a big beach ball. Play with it a little bit. You're noticing your energy and you're building your vital energy. You're gathering your vital energy right here to the center. And what's the consequences of scattered energy? So if your mind is racing all over the place, it depletes us. Right? So gathering our energy restores us. Good. You can even visualize that this ball has different colors. So what color is your ball? It's completely personal. Inhale, exhale, wonderful. Good. Inhale, exhale. Place your hands on your lower belly, your energy center, and just pause here and notice the difference in your body from when we started. And feel that aliveness, the vitality. That is your Qi activated. You just have appreciation for your body. And that's what just a few minutes of Qi Gong can do. So your body was divinely designed for this kind of healing. Just a few minutes a day. Trust it. Play with your own vital energy. So does your energy feel better? Let's check in. Does it overflow? Can you move through your day to day with more relaxation? Can you move through your day to day with more ease, energy, power? Good. Do you remember you were created for wholeness? Wonderful. So if this practice helped you, help me by subscribing and share with somebody you care about. Who needs it? Leave a comment and tell me how you're feeling, what you'd like to learn. I'm Leaha Mattinson. Breathe deep, stay vital, and I'll see you in the next practice.